How to make easy homemade soaps with these 3 ingredients. Try your hand at soap making using natural and pure ingredients that are your favorite. It's rightly said that there's a deep sense of joy in cooking your own food and making your own products at home. If your New Year resolution for 2020 is all about making the right choices, then you definitely need to make some changes in your beauty routine, starting with replacing mass-produced bathing bars with nourishing homemade soaps. And before you even start thinking about how cumbersome a task it may be, let us tell you that it is unbelievably easy, and once you try your hand at soap making at home, you will actually fall in love with it. Yes, making soaps at home is a simple process. And it can actually turn out to be a great weekend activity or hobby. When it comes to beauty, a lot of us are guilty of picking skincare products without really thinking about what kinds of ingredients go into its making. Many studies have found that different chemical compounds found in creams, cosmetics and other topical consumer products could trigger allergic reactions in the skin. Through soap making at home, not only could you master a new craft but also ensure that you are treating your skin with good quality, pure and natural products that are handpicked by you. You can also choose whatever ingredients you love or want to explore. Before watching these 3 ingredients, please subscribe our green info channels by clicking the red color button below, and press the bell icon to get notifications for all of our videos. The tricks of soap making at home. There are broadly 4 methods to soap making at home: cold process, melt and pour, hot process and rebatching. For beginners, from these methods, the melt and pour technique is a great way to start learning the craft of soap making. All you need is literally just 3 ingredients. 1. Soap base. With a soap base, you don't need to start the process of soap making from scratch or have to deal with dangerous lye solution, metal hydroxide that needs to be handled very carefully. But ensure that you select good quality soap bases containing ingredients like rich coconut milk, shea butter or goat milk. You can also opt for flavored soap bases such as aloe vera, honey, rose, activated charcoal, papaya and so on. 2. Essential oils. Essentials oils are what you need to add to make your soap smell like a dream. Essentials oils come with various skin benefiting properties besides providing aroma and making you feel rejuvenated. Ensure that you pick pure and natural essential oils such as lavender, sweet orange, lime, rose, clove and lots more. 3. Natural ingredients. Adding natural ingredients will give that extra edge to your soaps. This could include dried lemon slices, orange peel, ground coffee, spices and other such ingredients. Homemade soap making recipe. Here's the recipe of making soaps using melt and pour method. 1. Cut 500 gm soap base into small cubes. Using a double boiler, melt the bars completely, while stirring frequently, and then remove from the flame. 2. Add 4 to 5 drops of the essential oil and mix. 3. Add in dried flowers, spices etc. and then pour into silicone molds and let it set for 7 to 8 hours in a cool place. Your soap is ready now. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Comment below after making this homemade soaps. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.